Hello everyone, welcome back to Elmwood Trail episode number 3। भाई बहुत टाइम के बाद खेल रहा हूँ। मेरा खेलने का मन तो है लेकिन मैं भूल जाता हूँ, कुछ और काम याद आ जाते हैं। लेकिन फाइनली एपिसोड 3 आज रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, खेल रहा हूँ। ठीक है, तो जल्दी एपिसोड 3 आपके पास आ जाएगा। भाई कहानी तो यार मैं भी थोड़ी बहुत भूल गया हूँ, मुझे भी इतनी याद नहीं है। तो आप जो पहले की जो 2 वीडियो हैं उनमें देख लेना। ठीक है, अभी हम डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं भाई। टॉक टू लिली। है यू देयर? अच्छा हाँ, तो लास्ट टाइम हम लिली से बात कर रहे थे, उसकी मॉम आ गई थी और उसने हमें ब्लॉक कर दिया था, उसकी मॉम ने। यू देयर? सॉरी अबाउट दैट, इट वाज माय मॉम। यू गॉट मी वरीड फॉर अ सेक। दैट वाज ओके। My parents are very overprotective of me. They never allowed me to really help the police. Maybe this was the reason the police had to shut down the case so soon. हाँ भाई, ये भी एक रीज़न है, लेकिन हम ऐसा तो नहीं बोलेंगे क्योंकि फिर लिली को ऐसा लगेगा कि सच में मेरी वजह से ही जोई को नहीं ढूंढ पाए। I thought it being a parent, I can tell you that. ऐसा कुछ बोलेंगे हम, नहीं तो लिली सोचने लगे। Maybe, but you won't get it. Anyway, I had chat with Betty. And what did she say? If I were you, I didn't put her on the top of my suspect list. Interesting. And why would that be? She had similar opinion about you. Yes, भाई दोनों एक दूसरे से नफरत करती हैं। What do you mean? She said that Zoe did visit your place before going to the party. Oh, last time I checked, Zoe never entered someone's place without their permission. You don't have to lie, Lily. Zoe parents gave the same statement to the police. I don't know what to say. I told you everything I know, and now it's up to you if you want to believe me or not. Do you know anything about the address? Have you seen it or heard something mention it? Treetop mentioned Walnut Street. Walnut Street, never been there. Heard. That's where the rich in the town lives. Okay, तो rich लोग रहते हैं उधर. Are you sure this was where the party took place the night Zoe went missing? Didn't Zoe mention anything about it regarding party? You know I didn't go to the party, right? How would I know? You should try asking Betty. She was one handling out the passes. Betty probably knows something, but she's not ready to talk. Let me think. Well, if there is something that Betty is really concrete about, it's her image. If you can leverage her with something, she might start cooperating. This was seems ब्लैक, मतलब सीधी बात है, हमें उसको थोड़ा ब्लैकमेल सा करना होगा, उसकी इमेज को डिस्ट्रॉय करना होगा। मतलब डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करना है, हमें उसे बताना है कि अगर तुम हमारी बात नहीं मानोगी, मतलब थोड़े हमारे सवाल जवाब नहीं दोगी, हम तुम्हारी इमेज पे कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ। डिटेक्टिव गॉट टेक एनी रूट टू सॉल्व केस। हाँ बिल्कुल, हम ये रास्ता भी चलेंगे अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो। एंड यू लिली, दाल में तो तुम्हारी भी कुछ काला लग रहा है मुझे। You can always reach out to me if you get something on her. Let me tell you, I have my favorites. As hacking, I think God do some work then. भाई ये हैकिंग में, ओ भाई अगर ये हैकिंग वगैरह जानती है तो भाई फिर तो वो स्कॉलर भी है भाई। गेम तो भाई कसम से मुझे बेटी पे डाउट हो रहा है, उसके बाद मुझे लिली पे भी डाउट हो रहा है, उसके बाद अभी तो हमने बहुत सारे लोगों से बात ही नहीं की, उसका बॉयफ्रेंड वगैरह है, उससे भी बात करनी पड़ेगी भाई साहब। भाई अगर ये गेम किसी ने पहले खेला है ना, तो भाई तुम किसी ने खेला हो तो ये मत बताना, लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। फाइंड समथिंग दैट कुड स्पॉइल बेटी इमेज। बेटी इमेज, बेटी इमेज, वी लुक सिक। ओए ओके भाई, मुझे लग रहा है इसमें हो सकता है ऐसा कुछ, लेकिन इसका पासवर्ड भाई एक सेकंड, मुझे कुछ याद आ रहा है, हल्का सा कुछ याद आ रहा है। ओके तो गाइस आप ये नीचे देखो, ये जो एरोस बने हैं ना, यही है उसका पासवर्ड। अब मैं समझा। ओके तो इधर से ये स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे, कॉर्नर, डाउन डाउन, राइट राइट, अप। ट्राई करते हैं। ऊपर नीचे, डाउन डाउन, ओके खोल। ओ हो हो। प्रॉमिस बेटी आई वुड डिलीट दिस बट इट टू प्रेशियस। ओके गाइस, हमें बेटी की प्यूक करती हुई एक इमेज मिल चुकी है। अभी क्या करना है? मेक बेटी टॉक कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। हमने सीधा इमेज भेज दी है भाई। अभी देखते हैं बेटी मैसेज क्या करती है। अरे ऑनलाइन बेटी। व्हाट? हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस फोटो? Why are you sending this to me? I warned you to never text me again. Start talking then. What do you know about the address? सीधा सीधा ही ठोक देंगे भाई अब तो। You can't not do anything with this. You think you can scare me? I could just forward it to Lily. Maybe Lily would be interested in something like this. That moron will blackmail me. No. Isn't she also a tech freak who can easily destroy your image? Oh ho ho. You got it all wrong, sir. She's just afraid. Well, if you want to take your chances, let me do the honor. I don't care whatever you do. भाई ये तो अभी भी नहीं सुन रहे। That little shithead thinks he can blackmail me. Now I know what do your real intentions are. Now what next? Did you send her the photo? There, Adam. You can't do that, please wait. Well then, just answer my question. I swear on my profession that I would just delete it once we are done. Who gives you this photo? It is impossible you got it by yourself. I guess that is not important here. I need answer, Betty. Okay, fine, I'll tell you everything I know. This address, what do you know about it? Let's start with address first. There is nothing to tell really. It was just the venue for the party. Did you select the venue? You were providing the passes, so you must have selected the venue. No, it wasn't me, trust me. Oh, I trust you. So, whose place was that? How would I know that, sir? पता तो तुम्हें सब है, बताना नहीं चाहती तुम. I mean, I was just told about the venue, that's it. So, who told you about it? You must have found out about it from someone. किसी तक पता चला होगा. जल्दी जल्दी राज खोलो. Zoe, yeah, she invited me. Seriously, how much you can lie? हमने सुना है Zoe को तुमने पास दिए. भाई ये लड़की कितना झूठ बोलेगी, ये कितना तंग करेगी. I know we are providing the passes. I know you are providing the passes. It was Klein. It was Klein's uncle's house. Who is this Klein? Tell me about him. Who is this Klein? He is the quarterback on our school football team, and he is also my boyfriend. So I know he has got nothing to do with this. Where was Klein the night Zoe disappeared? He was with me all night. What more do you wanna know? पूछें क्या भाई आगे क्या हुआ? Was his uncle aware of the party? Why did Klein host a party at his uncle's house? He gifted their place to him his last birthday. He really doesn't care what Klein does with it. Can you believe that? I mean, he's amazing, right? Couldn't care less. Just give me his correct details. Alright, I need Klein contact number. Okay. I'm not sure about this, sorry. Betty, you know what at stake here, don't you? No, sir, I am dead seriously. I can't just give his number like that. Also, he told me not to do. He would break up with me. Please try to understand. You know that. What can I do? अब तो भाई हमारा बंदा फुल एकदम बैड मूड में आ गया. Do whatever you want. We are done here. 29 days. Zoe disappears. A new item has arrived. क्या है भाई? कॉफी पी जाए भाई पहले. Oh, what? We all want Zoe back. This helping you in finding. Oh भाई ये किसने ये एक सेकंड. फाल्कन वाइट कलर की कार है. ओके 42. ओके नंबर प्लेट भी दिख रहा है 42 उधर. फाल्को है फाल्को. भाई ये किस केस 43 डायग्नोसिस. भाई we can find a website to get more info on the car. भाई मैंने कुछ देखा था मेल्स में. मेल्स में एक कार का कुछ देखा तो था। ओ ये रहा, फिएस्टा, FIESTA, fiesta.com। वाइट कलर की कार थी, टाइप सेडान। फॉलो। ओके। बिल एंडरसन है। अच्छा SUV थी। माइक नाम के बंदे से बात करें। Hi Mike, this is Detective Adam Lane. I am investigating the case of Zoe Leonard. Zoe Leonard from Riverstone, huh? Yeah. Yes, she has been missing since the 23rd of December. You know that? Yeah. Do you know Zoe, any other Zoe Leonard? She was just my classmate, so I used to see her like something in school. You guys also met on the night she disappeared, right? You went to party where Zoe was also present? I did, but a lot of people were present here. I want you to answer a few questions. Why should I answer you? Question. I am not scared of you. I don't want you to be scared, and you didn't have to be if you have done nothing wrong. बेरो, अगर वो तेरी गाड़ी है तो तू गया. What would you like to say about this? लग गए तेरे तो लग गए. Who gave you this? How is this? It's not possible. I know that is your car. But it had nothing to do with her going missing. I invited her to my car just to help her. She was sitting by the front lane by herself. I could see she was upset and I wanted to help her. Sounds too nice on your part. What would make her sad? Brad, her boyfriend. I don't know what happened, but I heard that they had a pretty huge argument over something. So I found her and I thought she could use some help. So did you help her, and how did you help her exactly? अरे बाप रे, ये तो भाई मतलब मैं समझ गया इसने किस तरीके की हेल्प करने की कोशिश करी है। जो भी समझ गया ना कमेंट में एक बार बताओ भाई। जिसको समझा वो एक बार बता दो उसकी शक्ल देख के, तो एक बार फिर देख लो भाई। I just wanted to provide her with some emotional support. She looked like she could use it. I asked her what happened and what was going on her. What made you think that she would actually open up to you? And what did she tell you? She did open up a bit about her and Brad's relationship. She told me that she used to like him a lot, but Brad's behavior had changed a lot around her recently, and he was not the same person anymore. Just that she left. That she left seems. I am hope you are not hiding anything. Why would I? She was a great girl. If there are any chances that you can find her, I am happy to help. You wouldn't have lied at the start if this was the case. I want the whole truth, Mike. Don't mess around with me. मुझे भी लग रहा है ये कुछ छुपा रहा है और इस तरीके के मैसेज आ रहा है तो ये पक्का कुछ छुपा रहा है. What can I say to make you believe me? You mean to say she told you what's going on and left? I'm not stupid. I think you don't realize what will happen if that photo comes out. Trust me, that photo alone can completely ruin you. No, wait, I'll tell you exactly what happened. Okay, भाई अब राज बोलेगा. I actually really liked her. आ गया औकात पे भाई बंदा. But she got into a relationship with Brad. It broke my heart at first, but when I finally come to know that she's not happy with him, I thought this was my chance. And क्या भाई कुछ तो किया इसने. There was a moment that we were holding hands, so I just went in for you know. Please, Mike, stop. Wait, I feel disgusting already. You pig. मैं समझ गया था भाई, मैं इसकी शक्ल देख के समझ गया. I realized my mistake early on. Thought I tried saying sorry, but she slapped me and left. I swear that's all. I know that word to say, man. I'm glad she did. You deserve it. ऐसा इसकी शक्ल देख के मुझे लग गया था भाई. I'm sorry. Please don't share that photo with anyone. Just tell me if you have any idea who clicked this picture. Do you know? Do you have any suspicions about anyone who might have clicked this picture? I don't have any clue. Do you know Klein? Yeah, he's also a part of the football team. We were not that close thought. I need to talk to this guy in any way possible. Can you get me the contact details? I don't know. Maybe you can get this from his girlfriend Betty. She is the closest client. I tried that, but she has not ready to help anymore. Betty has denied helping. How can I help you then, bro? I think she is the only one right now who can help you. Betty is basically the key to anything on Klein. Okay, then do you know anything about Betty? Is there something Betty might have told you about Klein? I gotta think. जल्दी सोच बेटा. She spams their email to almost everyone in school. My girlfriend told me about this. She was pretty irritated by that. What emails? I don't know exactly. It's regarding some merch of her something. Did you even buy any her merch? Acha merch है merch. How can a high school girl have her own merch? She is pretty rich and has a huge following. Anyway, not a thought sell for someone like her. Okay, is there something else that you know? She also used to have some girls' night every Friday at Marguerite's. My girl Trifison used to go there. That small cafe near the school. What they do there? या ट्रिस्टन टोल्ड ट्रिफियन क्या नाम लिखा है भाई सॉरी ब्रो पढ़ने में नहीं आया टोल्ड मी दे यूज्ड टू गो मच एंड गॉसिप गर्ल स्टफ एनीवे दैट्स ऑल आई नो या दैट्स समथिंग टू स्टार्ट विथ दैट्स प्रोबेबली इनफ hey man I hope this photo doesn't come out the police had nothing if this reach them I will return Mike I would advise you never to take advantage of emotional person हाँ भाई trust me dude I'll be a change man okay okay close correct Zoe and Brad had a terrible fight. Zoe had left the party and was sitting alone outside. Betty ran a website that spams everyone about her merch. Someone knew Mike like Zoe. Only way to climb number is thought his girlfriend. What to do? The photo and note were sent and I'm smart, guys. I'm smart. Zoe was highly upset over something that she and Brad felt badly about. Mike is telling the truth about him, outraging her by her disgusting actions. He's now being framed by the Mouse person who sent us the picture, but who is it? Betty's merch website could possibly lead to some new information that her boyfriend climbed. Technology. Hey, we hope that you are enjoying. हाँ देखा है मैंने ओके गाइस मिलते हैं अब अगले एपिसोड में भाई प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार बहुत क्लोज हैं 50 सब्सक्राइबर्स के आई होप जब तक मैं ये वीडियो डालूँ शायद मेरे 50 हो जाएं प्लीज़ यार 50 सब्सक्राइबर्स करवा दो एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग